Hey guys, this is the Great Gamer, and today I have this iPhone 5. You can see there are some things at the top of the screen, like white stuff. But today, I'm gonna be doing a water test of this. Just let me over here. I'm gonna build one. I'm coming. Okay guys, so I have the phone here. Okay guys, I have the phone here and I'm gonna be putting it in the water now. 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. You can see it's still going strong. I'm gonna be doing a time lapse now. Okay, I'll get back to you in a little bit. Okay guys, so it's been almost 5 minutes. You can see it's still going strong. But I'm actually gonna come over here and stir things up a little bit. And get some water in here. Move it around. Oh, now it says no SIM card installed. Now I'm gonna go get some more water and add more. Okay, got some more water here. Six minutes in, still going pretty strong. Gonna get some more. Okay, got a little more here. Now it's full. That should be good. Now I'm gonna try getting some more. Let's just flip it around. Doesn't look like it wants to die. I'm just gonna get this out actually now. Actually, I'm just gonna get a towel. get this out now. The question is, does the touchscreen still work? No. Oh. Siri not available. Oh. You can see Siri right there. Oh, wait. It appears the touchscreen does not work. Does the power button work? Okay. What the wool? It's going crazy. Let me just try going over here. I'm gonna go away and get some water out. Oh, the touchscreen. If you can see that, it's kind of working. Oh, the stopwatch reset. It's not working anymore. Looks like the touchscreen's dead again. See if that does anything. Get some water onto this towel. Oh, wait. I got it to work for a sec. Oh, see? It's working, sort of. Well, the touchscreen is working. Let me actually just test the sound. Blowing it out. Actually, it doesn't sound bad. Oops, sorry if that was off camera. Now the touchscreen. Oh, low battery. Let me get this out of the way. Oh crap, okay, so, oh wait, actually the touchscreen does work. It says low battery 20%. Oh wait, it's working. Sometimes. So let me actually just turn this thing off and take it apart. Doesn't seem like it's turning off right there. Never mind. Now I'm gonna get the screen off. Oh, fudge! Did I just rip the cable? Oh no! I ripped the cable. Water definitely got in here. But the cable, whoops. Let me actually get another screw. I don't know which cable that is. I'm not too sure if it's gonna work anymore. I'm gonna use this screw. That's unfortunate. Oh no, wait. That cable is probably important. Well, crap. I think I just broke it. I'm gonna reconnect these and just see what happens. It's really hard to do this. This cable doesn't want to go in. Well, that was a fail. I totally ripped the cable. Oh, it was in. Okay. Let me actually see. Let me make sure the cables are in. See if it still turns on. Nope. I broke it. Wait, this cable was out. Oh well. Well, the camera's coming out. Wow, I wonder if that's, fixable. I think that is on the logic board. So I think I broke it. Well, that's unfortunate. Just gonna get this battery out. You know what, never mind, I'm not gonna get the battery out. I'm gonna get these screws, and where am I gonna put them? I'm just gonna put them over here. Ugh, I freaking think I seriously just lost one. Is there something? Nope. Maybe I didn't lose one, maybe. Well, I guess that's it for this iPhone 5. This thing was too strong. Okay, guys, and that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and bye.